Good morning, friends. I'm about to head into Trader Joe's to do a little shopping, and I thought I'd do a little bit different of a video this time than usual. Instead of just showing you the things that I am going to purchase, just my haul, I thought I'd go through and just show as many keto items as I can. We got here a little bit before 9 a.m., so I'm hoping it won't be too busy and I'll be able to show more products and then flip them over and show like nutrition facts and stuff. I'm not going to show like every single keto friendly food, like every vegetable, every meat, that kind of thing. I'm going to focus more on the products because some things are just super obvious, meat and vegetables, stuff like that. But we'll just go through the different products and see what we see. I have Charity with me today for my helper. We're going to her piano lesson after this, so that's why she's with me. You can find the Raja, the mascot, and get a prize. It's a, what did it say? Some kind of a mountain lion or something. Look at these. Those are pretty. This salsa I got for my husband recently. It has peanuts in it. I don't eat peanuts much, but it's still low carb, I think. Yeah. 3 carbs. And it's like a peanut salsa. I tasted one bite and it was pretty good. They're starting to get a lot more of these little snack packs with cheese and meat. So that's a salami one, like a roll of cheese and prosciutto or something. Yeah, prosciutto. Oh, and look at this. Protein palette. It's got cheese, salami, and almonds. That's cool.
Okay, let's read these grapes are.
Oh my goodness. They're so cute. Champagne grapes. Okay, I haven't seen these before, but they're like the Starbucks egg bites, I imagine. Cheddar cheese and bacon. Let's see. 6 carbs. Then they have the cheese, spinach, and kale also. I've tried a few of these dressings and they're pretty good. I like this one the best. I can't remember how many carbs. All right, 1 carb. It's also very low fat, so good for like PSMF. But it's got good ingredients and pretty simple. Avocado is mostly the fat in there, I guess. It's yummy. This one is 4 carbs, so that's a little bit more. Got coconut aminos in there. Vegan Caesar, 2 carbs, not bad. Carrot ginger, I haven't tried this one. 2 carbs, also not bad. And then this one, creamy dill, 1 carb. That's not bad. Oh, it has cauliflower. Oh, it has canola oil. I haven't seen this before. Let's see. Oh, it just has pork belly, water, and salt, so 0 carbs. Huh. It is $6.49 for 12 ounces. I might try that. Looks good. I love getting kimchi, sauerkraut, and then pickles here. Those are all super yummy, and they're all like probiotic yumminess, naturally fermented. Just beware, this one has sugar in it. You don't want that. But I think these ones are good. Good. This is one of my favorites here. I always get it when I come for a treat. It's $6, so it's a little spendy, but it doesn't have any added sugar. And a lot of the smoked salmons do have added sugar. So I like this one. And then the everything but the bagel makes it really good. Gonna grab 2 of those. These look like they should be great for keto. And let's see, how many carbs are they? 1 wrap, 2 wraps, 2 carbs. Oh, 1 wrap, less than 1 carb. So they are keto and low carb, but they have a lot of ingredients. Sorghum, millet, rice, potato, tapioca. It's amazing. How do they get all that in there and still have just 1 carb per wrap? I haven't gotten a lot of their like packaged meat, but they have a lot, and actually a pretty good selection of this kind of thing. 0 carbs. And it's got canola oil, sugar, and xanthan gum. Simply roast chicken that has a whole list of ingredients. Still says 0 carb. balsamic. That one's lemon pepper chicken. Ooh, look at that list of ingredients. That's a lot of stuff. Grilled white meat chicken. 0 carbs. Canola oil. Sugar. These are gluten-free, but I expect they're not. Low carb. Let's see, 2 carbs. Oh, that's not too bad, actually. Those are pretty good. Chicken, basil, vinegar, garlic, onion, rosemary. Yeah, that's great. That's cool. I might try those. All right, so they have these cauliflower pizza crusts here that are keto-ish. Those are the ingredients, so cauliflower, eggs, and cheese mostly. There's the nutrition facts. Let's see, 4 carbs per serving. And then they also have these little cauliflower slims, like mini pizza crust, or you could use it like a sandwich, I guess, bread substitute. And I think it's pretty much the same ingredients. 3 carbs per serving, 2 pieces per serving. Oh, these look good. Too bad I don't eat peanuts. The chili onion crunch. It's like a dip. Oh, you found it? Good job. I'll see it in just a second. It's like a dip thing. I'll show it to you if I can find it on the shelf. But they just came out with these peanuts. Let's see if they have anything junky added. Peanuts, peanut oil, sunflower oil. But no, oh, corn syrup solids. 7 carbs. Come on. Oh, this is what I wanted to try. This is new. It's like the chili onion crunch, but jalapeno lime. Let's see. Olive oil, dried onions, dried garlic, dried jalapenos, bell pepper, cilantro. Yeah. I am going to try this. Looks so good. Garlic and jalapeno stuffed olives. Those sound good too. Try these. They look good. What?
Down there.
Oh, like up on the...
Yeah, next to that green umbrella.
Oh, there it is. Good job. Lots of salsas are low carb, but this is one that my husband really likes. And I like it too. It's pretty good. 3 carbs. And it does not have any added sugar or anything. So that's another good one. I did not know that they had hearts of palm pasta here. I'll just throw it on the ground then. I might have to try this. Let me check it out here. I've never tried it. Ingredients is just hearts of palm. 4 carbs per serving. Yeah, I'm going to have to try this. $3.49. And then they have a spaghetti squash. All right, we'll try it. Okay, dried and ready to boil. Spaghetti squash. Nests. Well, that's interesting. Spaghetti squash is so easy to just cook. I don't know if I need this. Here is the chili onion crunch I was talking about. I still have one of these at home, so I'm not gonna buy it today, but I'm excited to try the new one. Of course, they have all kinds of nuts. If you do nuts on your keto diet, you can get lots. Ooh, look at this one.
Caramel coffee and almonds.
Yeah, that sounds like it probably has added sugar. All right, let's see. Almonds, vinegar, cream powder. It has some canola oil just at the end, but no added sugar, so that's good. And let's see. 6 carbs, 3 fiber per serving. Ooh, look at this one. Chili and garlic cashews. Oh, that one has cane sugar. 10 carbs per serving.
Sugar.
It says on the back. Yeah, right here, see. Carbohydrates 11. Includes 8 grams of sugar, 7 grams of added sugar. There she is. Got to check out the new rack. I already saw the peanuts. Let's see. Brazil nut body scrub. Oh, I still don't know how to say the name of this sauce, but it's super good. But ingredients: rice, tapioca syrup. There you go. Chili pineapple kettle corn. What? Freeze-dried chicken for pets. Cauliflower pizza crust, but it's not low carb. I don't believe. 17 carbs per serving. They have a lot of different cheese bites, and this is a new flavor that I haven't seen before. Tomato and chili, that looks good. And then they have just the cheddar, and then they have the summer truffle. These ones were pretty good, but the truffle flavor was a little too intense for me, so it was just okay. Then, of course, they have all of the chomps in the different varieties, or 3 different varieties, and other various summer sausages. Onion chips. I don't know if these are... It has rice bran oil, 17 carbs. Then they do have some collagen options, Great Lakes collagen, and then they have Keto Collagen chocolate. Those are the ingredients. It's stevia sweetened, that's pretty good. Just because it says cauliflower doesn't mean it's low carb. Brown rice, 20 carbs, 21 carbs per serving. Of course, there's always spices, but you do have to check to make sure there's not added sugar in some of these. This one had rice concentrate, so if you're really sensitive to that. This one had sugar. I've wanted to try that one, but it's the first ingredient is sugar. This one's really good. This one's really good. This one's really good. This one was okay. I think this one had some funky ingredients too. So I go with the Pork King Good ranch seasoning. Let's see. These are really good also. It's like that Hatch green chili salsa that I showed you, but it's just the dried red and green peppers. I love their onion salt here because it's got the green dried in there as well. It's really good. We got one of these. Some of the kids liked it, some of the kids didn't as much. But it's just a cheese blend. This one had sugar, I think. Yeah, brown sugar, first ingredient. I love these for easy snacks. So easy to throw into my purse. I always get a handful or 2 when I come. Then they have all kinds of different olives. I think I need to get some Kalamata olives actually. I have not made olive rolls in far too long. I think I need to do that. And these work great for that. And they don't have any funky oils added, just the extra virgin olive oil. This looks yummy, and it is low carb, but it has sunflower oil in it. So that's a bummer. I heard from somebody that the allulose got discontinued here, and I'm not seeing it, so that's a bummer. I stocked up the last time I was here because I heard it was going away. That's too bad, but they still have stevia liquid and stevia extract, and then stevia sweetener packets. Let's see. What do they add to this? It might be, maybe they don't add anything to it. That would be nice. Yeah, it doesn't say. I might try that one since it seems pure. They do have some carb-savvy tortillas, but they're still made with wheat, so I would not touch these. 9 carbs per tortilla, 6 grams of fiber. I spent $101.40. And not everything I got was keto, because not everyone in my family is keto, but a lot of it is. So I'm excited to try these. Let me know if you want to see a taste test of some of these items, because a lot of things I have not picked up before. The pork belly, another one that I'm excited to try. Maybe I can do the hearts of palm pasta with some of the chicken meatballs on top, like creamy sauce or something. That would be really good. These are a favorite in our house, and they are not low carb, but they're cassava flour and potato starch. But Charity was really excited about these, and Autumn loves them. And so we cook them up in the air fryer. They're super good. So we stocked up on those because they're not always in stock here, because they're very popular items. So we were excited to see a bunch of them. So I got 8. Decided to try the stevia extract since it seemed like it didn't have any fillers added. Hopefully I'm not just missing that, but we'll see how that is. Got some corn tortillas for the kids. Picked up a bunch of just a handful of olives. These are really, really yummy and super easy to throw in my purse. 2 of the peanut salsa for my husband. 2 of the sliced Kalamata olives. I'm gonna have to make another batch of rosemary olive rolls. Those are so good. I don't know why I haven't made them in so long. And then last thing I think is I picked up these garlic jalapeno stuffed olives to try. They just looked really good. Actually, the one last thing down here that I missed was my everything but the bagel smoked salmon. I got 2 of those. And since we are going to piano lessons after this, I brought my cold bag and my big things of ice, so everything will be nice and safe.